pro touring movement began gaining popularity about 25 years ago, with technology that continuously blurs the lines between street beast and track king. Transforming a storied classic into a technological tour de force has become one of America's favorite pastimes. A super slick showstopper that was built by Corvette artist Jeff Hayes. This awesome Stingray combines picture-perfect aesthetics with serious mechanical prowess. The car's solid body, massaged to near perfection by Jeff Hayes' American Speed Shop, is covered in a glossy coat of silver pearl 2-stage, not nearly as pastel as GM's original single stage. That pigment looks absolutely rich under a gunmetal stinger stripe. With a billet grille and Z06 style wheels, the car is a winner. It's handsome without being too traditional, it's fresh without being too outlandish, and it manages to be unique while mastering the art of mass appeal. Slip into the sublime French-stitched cockpit and settle on bolstered bucket seats that wrap distressed leather around modern frames. A leather-trimmed dash fashions awesome carbon fiber around vintage air climate control, Bluetooth-capable direct-fit audio, and gorgeous autometer gauges. A carbon fiber console frames a booted low-car shifter, and the driver commands a billet specialty steering wheel. Raise the electronically actuated hood and you'll find a 6.2-liter LS376 crate engine that's rated at 525 horsepower. That engine sends power through a 4L65E transmission, back to a Dana 44 differential. Plenty quick and plenty streetable, this pristine Corvette is an excellent combination of awesome pro touring performance and timeless Motor City aesthetics. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.